Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Glory, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my minimum summer makeup routine. The weather is warm and we don't want so much product on our face, but at the same time we want to look put together. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you the product that I use and the steps I use in order to achieve this makeup I'm currently wearing on my face. So if you're new here or if you're coming back to watch my video and you have not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, on this channel I do beauty, lifestyle and fashion content. So if that's what you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe and make sure to click on the like button of this video if you like this sort of videos. Starting off, I will be using my Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer and a primer in one. I've talked about this Good Molecule moisturizer here on my channel. I will put it here for you to watch, or I'll link it below. But yes, I'll be using this to prime my face today. Also, because my hand is so ashy, I will use the moisturizer to moisturize my hand. I'll start off by brushing my brows. I'm using my Lancome tint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer in shade 09 to conceal my eyelid. I'll be using my BH pressed powder in shade 250 to set my eyelid. And for foundation, I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Long Wear Makeup. This is a very lightweight foundation. This is like the light version of their double wear. I also have a review of this foundation here on my channel. Okay. With a bit more. So this is what the Sheer Long Wear foundation is looking on my skin. This is what it's looking like on my skin. It's a very lightweight foundation. Like, this is so perfect for this summer weather. Like, it's like, to be honest, this is like their skin tint. I don't know why they didn't call it skin tint foundation, because it's so lightweight. I mean, like, it's just perfect for this weather. Like, if you want minimum everyday makeup, this Sheer Long Wear makeup, Estee Lauder Double Wear, is perfect, and it's matte, though it doesn't last as long as the double wear, obviously, because it's the lighter version, but it's just perfect for your everyday foundation. Concealer, I'll be using again my Lancome All Over Concealer. I'm using the shade 09 to conceal my under eye and the shade 051 to give me a bit of a highlight under my eyes. Sponge that I use to blend the Sheer Long Wear makeup, which is the foundation, just to blend the edges. concealer done, so I've concealed. So I'm going to use my Dermablend loose setting powder in shade Cool Beige to set the concealer under my eyes. So pick up the powder, dust off a bit on my palm. Dust off a little bit more and just set around my smile lines. Off my nose. Take a bit of the powder because I have lines under my eyes, and I'll just leave it there, so just to not let the line, concealer crease in there during the day. Leave the powder just for a few seconds, then I'll dust it off. This is a trick if you have lines under your eyes and you don't want your concealer to crease in there as the day goes by. Just take a little bit of your loose setting powder and just put it and leave it, and just leave it there for a few seconds, then dust it off. This helps your under eyes to be flawless and the lines will not crease, and concealer will not crease into the lines. So this is the trick I always use. Okay. My brush to dust off the powder. And to bronze my cheeks, I'll be using my pressed powder again. This is in shade BH Studio Pressed Powder in shade 255. Just gonna slightly bronze the side of my nose. I'll take off a bit of the bronzer from the bronzing brush. This just helps me to have control control of the bronzer, because I don't want it to look too muddy and too harsh. So it just helps by picking it off there, by picking from the brush I already used to bronze my cheeks. So far, this is how the face is looking. So bronze and set the under eye and around, the smile line and kind of the nose with powder. I don't set the rest of my face, so I'm bronzed. And yeah, so far this is how my face is looking. So I'm just checking to see if there's anything I need to add before going in with the next step, which will be the blush. For blush, I'll be using my Marena Beaute blush in shade Sweet Brown. I've had this blush forever, if you can see. Like, it's like almost gone, but it's a very, very beautiful blush. So I've applied my blush, and now I'm just going to quickly set my face with this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray. For the lips, I'll be using my lip liner, MAC lip liner in chestnut, and my lipstick by Revlon. This is Revlon lipstick in shade Kiss Me Coral, 750 Kiss Me Coral. Just your regular lipstick, and it's in coral or something on my lip. Coral shade. my brow with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter in clear. I haven't put on this lipstick in a while. Revlon lips is really beautiful. But yeah, so this is the makeup all done. Simple, minimum, but flawless looking makeup. I like my makeup anyway. Let me know what you think. Do you like my makeup? Because I like my makeup.